Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to remove virus in your Android phone. Today I'll show you two methods that you can use to remove virus from your phone. Now for the first method, go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to device care. After that go to app protection. Now from here you can check and remove your virus. Just tap on scan phone and you can see that will start scanning your phone. Now just give it a moment and the scan is complete. You can see there is no virus in my phone. Now for the second method, open up your Google Play Store and then tap on this profile icon at the top right corner of your display. Then tap on manage apps and device. Then go to play protect scan. You can also check and scan your phone from here. Then tap on scan and you can see that will start scanning again and the scan is complete. You can see there is no harmful apps and virus in my phone. And that is how you can remove virus in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.